Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an ignition coil on a Nissan Sentra. First, you will need to identify if your ignition coil is indeed failing. Common signs include engine misfires or a rough idle. Next, gather your tools, which usually include a 10mm socket, an extension, and a new coil. Finally, locate the coils on your engine, typically 4 of them, positioned on top of the valve cover. Now, let's get to work. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery first. Then, carefully press the release tab on the electrical connector and pull it off the coil. Using a 10mm socket, remove the single bolt holding the coil in place. Once the bolt is out, gently pull the old ignition coil straight up and out of its cylinder well. With the old coil removed, it's time for the new one. You might want to apply a small amount of dielectric grease to the rubber boot of the new coil. This helps with sealing and future removal. Carefully slide the new ignition coil into its cylinder well, ensuring it seats properly. Then, reinsert and tighten the 10mm retaining bolt. Finally, firmly push the electrical connector back onto the coil until you hear a click. You're almost done. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, ensuring it's tight. Now, start your engine and listen for a smooth, consistent idle, indicating the misfire is gone. If you have an OBD2 scanner, clear any diagnostic trouble codes that might have been stored. Finally, take your Nissan Sentra for a short test drive to confirm everything is working perfectly. Congratulations on a successful repair.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.